Yes, what's up guys? Here's Replays and today we're gonna be doing Fridge Challenge Part 2. You hear TV in the back room just because my brother. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm not looking and yeah. Okay, I found these two. So it's, oh no, orange juice with juicy bits and milk. Whoa.
You keep using the same things.
I don't. Only it's milk and orange juice with stuff in it. Bits in it. That sounds wrong. Okay, I'm just going to get a cup because this isn't right.
Try not to drop everything again.
Oh yeah, that was failed version. It hasn't been on my channel. I don't want it to anyway. You have to do this as well. Milk and orange in it.
What? You're going to throw up.
Probably am. Wait, I'm not putting that
Wait,
much.
no, that's Daddy's.
I'm not putting that much in.
That's our dad's. This is our dad's.
Okay, leave it. And Ollie, leave
It's
it.
not yours.
It's not yours either.
Exactly. That means you can't have it.
Okay. I'm just going to have a tad.
You can.
I don't want to have this.
Wait, one sec. Before you drink it. Wait, one sec. Before you drink it.
Yeah, well.
Mix it in.
No, I'm not mixing it in. Okay, 3, 2.
No, mix it in.
Okay, fine, mix it in. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
What are you kidding
Look,
me?
this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm just going to have a sip because otherwise I'll die. Oh, that's horrible. No. Oh, French NATO 7 did this. Oh, but he didn't get as worse as me. Milk. Ugh. Milk and apple. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll have to end it then. Sorry it was such a short video. I'm just probably going to throw up after this video. So, see ya.